believe, coming from a god sister. I don't know if she's ready. Is she ready? Is she ready? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm now going to call on Miss Sofia Velasco.
Happy birthday, Kuya Kailan. I love you.
Are you going to be singing for us today?
Yeah,
What are you gonna sing for us?
minsan lang.
Minsan lang Tagalog pa. Okay, everybody, a very big warm round of applause for Sofia.
Tanan sa buhay ko, ibigin ko dahil ikaw ay lumayo. Tanan saan naman hanapin mo. Ang pag-ibig to ay nasa'yo, Ama. Kung kaya'y iindaan o malaman, minsan na kita iibigin, minsan na kita mamahalin.